bet you remember we were driving down Coyote Flats last and our transfer case popped out of gear. So we lost our Atlas and we started to just roll, and we were on brakes only, which in a big truck like that is not great. They heat up quickly. So anyways, stay tuned for the adventure. We're going to get that transfer case fixed and we're going to continue working on the farm stand. Stay tuned.
That's where I felt it though. So maybe it was just the cable.
Oh yeah, that's interesting. The moment of truth. Alex is going to test the Atlas. He just worked for 2 days straight installing it, and now we're going to see if it shifts and holds in gear, if this was all worth it. Testing the transfer case. It passed and now we can use it. We're back in business. That's great, and we're ready for calls. Got one wall done. No more wood there. All right, so today I'm gonna pressure wash her. We're gonna clean her off on the outside and the inside, and we're gonna do the whole fiber Comet scrub to even out the paint on the outside and remove some of that surface rust. Quick little update. cleaned that off. Motor still looks good in front. So you got rid of some of that silver on top. Working away at it. I think it looks a lot better. So here it is after pressure washing. I'm pretty happy with it so far, and you can see it's drying out already. So I'm not too worried about it molding because it's been really dry and warm lately. I planned this, but it smells better. Is that okay? I think we got it. Hell yeah! Alright, still work in progress, but check it out. This is what we had envisioned the whole time. So it's not done. It's not done. I'm still gonna finish this with wood. I'm still going to put that and make it all nice, like furniture. We are now open for business, thanks to all your patience. This is what she looks like from the road. You come in here, walk in the front door, and we have eggs. We have treats. The cookies are sold out already. I'll restock those. We have fresh bread. There'll be more tomorrow. And we have jam. Everyone can see from the street. We are in a genuine Studebaker. Thanks for following along, everyone.